If you got multiple debts draining you each month, credit cards, personal loans, or whatever, there's a smarter way to clean it all up and take back control of your life. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can consolidate all your debts into your home loan so you're paying less interest, simplifying your repayments, and getting out of debt faster. Now, before we begin, I need to mention you need to own a property with a mortgage for this strategy to work. Before we dive into it, if you need help doing this strategy, please book a free one-to-one call with me using the link below. Here's what we're walking through today. No fluff, just the key steps. Number 1, let's look at the real reason why most people stay in debt. It's not because they're bad with money, it's because life gets busy and the credit card gets used just this once too many times. The holiday they went on with that personal loan until suddenly you got repayments coming left, right, and center. The debt just sits there and the interest just keeps adding up. Now, here's a typical scenario. You got a $7,000 credit card at 20%, another one at $5,000, plus an $8,000 personal loan at 14%. That's $20,000 in total debt with around $800 per month in the minimum repayments and over $6,500 in interest alone. If you keep going with that, you're chipping away but barely making a dent. So let's talk about how we can really fix this issue. Number 2, the debt consolidation play. Now that we've looked into how people get stuck in, let's talk about how we can lighten the burden by consolidating these high interest debt into your home loan. If you've got equity and a decent mortgage rate, here's the move. You should roll that $20,000 of high interest debt into a separate loan split on your home loan at around, let's say, 6%. What happens is your monthly repayments drop from $800 to around $120 per month. That's a massive drop in interest from around $6,500 to less than $1,000. That's a huge saving that you make. And what's even better, you now only have one payment to manage instead of managing 3 or 4 different payments. And if you keep paying the original $800 a month that you're making originally, you'll wipe out that debt in around 27 months. Now, here's how to actually set up without making it complicated. First, you need to list out all your debts by amount and the interest rate that you have. Number 2, you need to speak to your lender or broker and ask for a new loan split for consolidation. Keep it separate from your main home loan. Number 3, match the loan term to your original debt timeline. Don't stretch it over 30 years because now you're paying more interest. Step 4, consolidate all those high interest debts into one payment. Number 5, stick to your original total repayments or more so you can knock out that debt faster. The structure is so simple. The key thing is the discipline is what makes it work. Now, after the consolidation is done, these are the mistakes that you need to avoid at all costs. Once you consolidate debt, don't keep using that credit card. You just end up doubling your debt. You need to make sure you close that credit card. Also, don't extend that loan term too far because the longer you extend that loan term, the more interest you pay. Number 3, watch out for fees, setup costs, break fees, withdrawal limits. These can add up big time. Number 4, keep the debt separate. Don't merge it into your main mortgage where it can disappear into the background. Done right, this puts you back in control. Done wrong, it can just delay and make the problem worse. So how do you know this strategy is right for you? Well, this strategy makes sense if you're paying over 10% on credit cards, personal loans, or buy now, pay later, and your mortgage rate is under 7%. Also, you need to make sure you've got enough equity in your home or property to consolidate the debt. And you're disciplined enough to make sure that you don't rebuild the debt once it's consolidated. If that's you, this is a practical, proven way to help you save money and clear your debt faster without juggling 5 different repayments every month. And that's the strategy. If you find this helpful anyway and you're ready to get this sorted out properly, book a free one-to-one call with me using the link below. Tell me about your situation and I'll show you exactly how to structure it the right way. Now, if you're a business owner and you want to find out how to access equity fast without tax returns, click on this video right here.